Hello friends, today in this video we are going to talk about what is the name of this emoji and where it is used. So let's get started. The name of this emoji is heart with arrow and it is used to express being stuck by love, infatuation or cupid arrows, often associated with Valentine Day or new romance. You can understand this emoji with an example also. Example is just like that. I just saw my crush. And now I am completely heart with arrow. Means love. Completely in love. So that's all in this video. I hope you like this video. If you find this video as an informative video for you, then please hit a like button. Thank you.